Oh! No, I almost hate it. Just, how slick would you rate this? How slick would you rate this? Alright. Uh-huh. I mean, you have to. Oh, hey. Can't be. Alright, let's expect the damage. I feel it. But we're good. Who drove their car up here? Four-wheeler. Yeah, somebody drove their car, or like the four-wheeler. These guys trade. Where's like the best path?
Huh?
Where's like the best path on the sled?
Yeah, I think it's so right here.
All right. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I probably will. Oh, shit.
Ooh. 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 Oh. Not bad.